Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming accounts and connectivity. Sign into your Samsung or Google account, then make sure Wi-Fi or mobile data is active so sync can run. Open Settings, go to Accounts and Backup, and select Samsung Cloud or Google Contacts. Once done, enable Contacts Sync if it's off and check the timestamp for the last backup. That tells you which restore point to use. This step sets the restore source and prevents overwriting newer entries. You now perform the restore. In Samsung Cloud, tap Restore Data and pick Contacts, then choose the backup date and tap Restore. Google Contacts uses Restore from menu with a 30-day limit. If you exported a vCard, VCF, open Contacts, go to Manage Contacts, then Import/Export and select the VCF file from internal storage. Make sure you target the correct account to avoid mixing lists. Wait until the process finishes and check for missing entries. Finish by verifying your contacts in the Contacts app. Tap Settings and choose to display all accounts so nothing is hidden. If contacts are missing, look in Trash/Recycling folders or repeat the restore using an earlier backup date. Make sure Sync is turned on afterward to preserve results. If cloud and local restores fail, try Smart Switch or reputable recovery tools, but proceed cautiously and avoid apps that request excessive permissions. One tip: backup immediately after
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.